What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before I tell you what we've got up our sleeve today, you've got to cue up that epic intro. So here is the deal. We've got the man, we got Corey, and we got Dover. He's the man too. And then you got me, just a little me. But anyway, what's more important than that is we got Corey's car back there. Corey, what are we fixing to do?
Go get it retuned for the new Gen 2.
Yes, sir. So if you caught the upload about Corey's car last week, we swapped like last minute, put a Gen 2 engine and Mustang cams into Corey's car, replacing the Gen 1 engine with stock truck cams. So obviously the tune is way off. It's not even close to what it should make. Daryl said it's probably going to pick up how much from this tune?
Probably 60, 70, somewhere around there.
Yeah, it's going to be something crazy.
It's going to pick up 350.
350. So the Corey got to make one pass, just one pass. The very first pass, just kind of feeling the car out, and ran 760. So if that gives you any clue what this car is going to do, it's going to be nasty. But right now we got to get up to Wengerd Performance and get this new tune locked in. So let's roll. Yeah.
Hey, you know what would be cool? Yeah, you know what what is it? The book value on that car ain't but like $1,500. That's what I tell him. I give $1,600 for it.
Well, he's had some. We come by here one night, and I think he had a convertible foxbody.
I think he can fit through there.
Yeah, I think so too. And he had like a like a '66 Mustang or something.
All right, guys, real quick, we were on our way up to Wengerd, and we spotted something. Yes, sir. Oh, it's got red interior, but it looks... All right, boys. Look at here. You never know what you see when you're out riding. Ooh-wee. 5 speed. It's like a 91.
5 speed?
Sir. It's got tags on it. Got some chrome tips.
Oh, has it got tags?
Yeah, it's got tags. I mean, hell, it's on the lot. Dover just opening the door to somebody's car. There's somebody over there. Yeah, you just never know what you'll see when you're out riding around. Nice looking little GT though.
Something like
Alright, y'all, so unfortunately, the car was sold. But it was like clickbait for the real world. They had it out there like by the road, and of course, you know, that's probably drawing in more than anything else they had on that lot. And of course, then they stand by the door and say it's sold, like yelling at us.
Hey, you can't fit through there.
Oh well, we are we're gonna stop and get some food.
Putting fireworks up.
We need food, dude.
DQ.
Hey, look, fireworks. Yeah, it's almost that time. All right, y'all, we have arrived. Corey, how's that burger, dude?
Awesome.
Oh, man. Got some fries there. But we're not worried about food right now. We're worried about tuning. Because we are at Wengerd Performance. What do you do? Wreck his truck? Oh, that's not his newer one. Well, there's the newer one in there. But all right, boys, we are at Wengerd Performance, and we're going to get our tune on here. Yeah, it's not horrible, but let's see what we got going.
Really?
A helicopter? Where's a helicopter?
We gotta go to Maine and pick it up.
Yeah. All right, boys, here we are. Just waiting on Daryl real quick. He's got a sick Lightning up here. Looking good. Looks like we're doing some rear end stuff in it. Putting the gear and all that. Always something cool. Got a Cummins out. That looks like a fun job. Not. All right, so guys, we are going to get We're gonna get Corey's car down, and we're gonna make 150,000 more horsepower, and then we're gonna go to the track. All right, let's get it down. All right, Daryl, so I gotta put you on the spot. Okay. We got a Gen 2 engine now and Mustang cams. What, like, is there some kind of stuff you're like updating?
Yep, there's small changes I made for the new update, and so now we just gotta get a log, make sure everything checks out.
Right. So obviously it's not taking advantage of all the extra airflow, I'm assuming.
Yeah, there's a couple of different things the way it works, and I'll get a log just to verify exactly what changes need to be made. So.
Gotcha. All right, boys. Gonna go get some data logs on it. See what she does. Man, that E85 smell though. No power steering for the win, right?
No power steering. He's gonna hate that.
Yeah. It's a race car, dude.
It doesn't have power steering for Daryl. It's got power.
That's true. Yeah, let's see those guys. Like his arms are bigger than my legs, and he's never like. You don't even lift weights.
No.
God, my.
High school.
All right. So hopefully, got good news when he gets back. Got grass everywhere. All right, guys. We have been fighting more oxygen sensor issues. Are we any better?
It takes a minute.
We're getting crazy readings from the Bank 2 oxygen sensor.
It's actually working now.
Nice.
Yeah,
Dude, it's working. It is working. Oh my God. All right, we gotta put the ramp back and get it back on the ground. It's worked, guys. Seriously, we've been here for like an hour swapping O2s, and it's been crazy. We had a bent pin, and we had some water in one of the connections giving it some crazy resistance. So, all right, let's get back on this tune. The Willie Monster needs to race tonight.
You'll see some monster pulls.
That's what I'm talking about. Man, that's a good feeling. We had issues last time. You can see the old O2 sensors here. Let's see what happens here. Alright guys, sorry for the wind noise, but it looks like Corey's tune is pretty well dialed in. He's about to bring it out here, bring it up on the two-step, and see what she does. We got a little storm brewing out here, but oh well, he's gonna send it. Yeah, she's not really hooking on the street today. long black marks though. Alright guys, so I think we're about to get a freaking monsoon here. It's already starting to rain, so we're gonna get this thing loaded up and get out of here. Maybe get to the track, we'll see what happens. But Daryl, you killed it once again, dude. Appreciate it. We're gonna get this thing strapped out of here before the rain comes. Yeah, you got a window down. Alright guys, that is what, again, need some tuning down here. Paris, Tennessee, Wengerd Performance. Check them out. And in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see the Willie Monster on the track, that is coming very soon. And as well as lots of other awesome stuff. Alright, I'll catch up with you next time. Later.